A very warm good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to this chemistry digital class. Dear student, as you know that we have finished our chapter 1, that is chemical reaction and equation already. So today in this last class of my chapter 1, I would like to tell you some important questions related to this chapter. First, that is about important definitions. So please pay attention and just try to understand the different meaning of the definitions. In which first definition that can ask, that is exothermic reactions. So if I will tell those reactions which release energy, or we can say heat, is called exothermic reaction. For example, if I will take example from our daily life, the combination reaction is the example of exothermic reaction. So next is endothermic reaction, in which those reaction in which energy or heat is absorbed I can say, absorbed or gain, is called endothermic reaction. Example, photosynthesis reaction. Precipitate reaction, as the word is precipitate beta. To precipitate mean it is special appearance in which, if suppose we will take one test tube, inside the test tube if we will take some solution, that solution is transparent. Okay, and when we'll add some other solution in this, we will add some solution. So if that another solution, that is B, if that will convert this transparent into undissolved solvent, undissolved undissolved substance that is visible, that is called precipitate. Okay, it is like formation of turbidity. जैसे मान लो आपने पानी में मिट्टी के जो छोटे छोटे कण हमें दिखते हैं, that is like a precipitate. So here let us define it. A chemical reaction in which insoluble, a chemical reaction in which unsoluble or insoluble you can write insoluble salt are produced due to not dissolving tendency of any one of the reactant, called precipitate reaction. For example, if I take example of precipitate reaction, let us take an example of sodium chloride when react with AgNO3. Although this is a double displacement reaction, so Na will react with NaNO3 and Cl will react with Ag. the formation will become NaNO3 plus AgCl, and this type of reaction is called precipitate, and this is always shown in this way. One arrow, this is the symbol of precipitate. So all those reactions in which this symbol is shown, that is called precipitate. Okay. Now next, D is neutralization reaction. Those reactions in which an acid reacts with a base and form a neutral salt and water as an end product is called neutralization reaction. If example we will take, let us take an example. These are very simple reactions. Let us take example of acid. HCl is an acid and NaOH is an example of base. When it will react, so it is also double displacement reaction. Na will react with Cl, it will become NaCl, which is a common salt, plus H2O, which is water. So all those reactions in which water present, if it will present water, that is called neutralization reaction. So you can keep it like this way, dear student. Water is always neutral. That's why the reaction name is neutralization reaction. Okay. So now all these four definitions I have told you. Now let me take the fifth definition, that is E. The fifth definition that is redox reaction. If I will tell, this is very important question. Although already we have discussed, this word came from two. Read word complete reduction, ox word complete oxidation. So it is the combination of reduction and oxidation. If I will take, sometime it is coming in the form of our differences also. So I am taking it in differentiation way. So first difference, that is it is reduce of oxygen and gain of hydrogen, whereas oxidation is gain of oxygen and reduction of hydrogen or loss of hydrogen. Number two, on the basis of electron, if we will say, the gain of electron is reduction beta and loss of electron is oxidation. So sometime we are keeping it like this way, GER, Germany, that is reduction, LEO, Leo or Loin, that is oxidation. Okay. Third thing, the substance which somewhere the substance which involve the addition of hydrogen or removal of the substance which is gaining the oxygen called reducing agent, where the substance which provide oxygen to other called oxidizing agent. Okay, so now in this last session, dear student, I would like to tell you the most important question that is related to your board exam. Okay, and you need to solve and learn the question that is related to. First, balancing the equation. We have done ample practice, so you need to do practice again and again, because in your upcoming unit test 2, which is going to be very soon, there the chapter 1 will come. We are balancing the question, important definitions which I have already discussed just now. Third, some reasoning type questions. Reasoning type questions are all those questions which is start with why. Like some of the question I am going to tell here. Why potato chips manufacturer fill the packet of chips with nitrogen gas? Second, why is respiration considered as an exothermic reaction? Why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? Similar way, why is the amount of gas collected in one of the test tube double of the amount collected in the other? Name this gas. Why does the color of copper sulfate solution change when an iron nail is dipped in it? It is very important question. Then next question, that is why are decomposition reaction called opposite to the combination reaction? Write equation for this reaction. Okay, so these are some questions related to why. In the last fourth, the question related to redox reaction and its application in our daily life. So you know very well the concept is related to rusting, rancidity, corrosion. In rusting, the condition due to that rusting is there, and the prevention, you need to write two condition to prevention, that how to protect metals from rusting. Okay, so this is all about. Now dear student, do complete all these questions in your notebook. And now from next Monday I would like to start our chapter 2, that is acid, bases and salt. But before that you must finish the chapter 1. Okay, so thank you, stay happy, stay safe and keep enjoying the digital classes. Thank you.